Updating your RV showerhead is one of the best investments you can make in your RV bathroom. Most showerheads that come standard in RVs are usually lousy and ineffective and end up clogging in a few months. Finding the best RV showerhead replacement is more than bringing creature comforts to your RV lifestyle. It's about upgrading the performance of your RV shower to give you a better experience while cutting back on your water usage. 1. Oxygenix RV Shower Kit. If you're tired of going through several rinses in order to get the shampoo suds out of your hair, the Oxygenix RV Showerhead is what you need. This showerhead specifically promises to please those with long, difficult-to-rinse hair. It's designed to emit a particular, spray pattern, that helps remove shampoo quickly and effectively. Unlike some RV showerheads, the Oxygenix comes with a 5-foot-long hose, allowing for full range of motion as you're showering off. 2. Camco RV Showerhead. While this showerhead only comes in one color, it has 5 different modes: a low rainshower mode, a high rainshower mode, a massage mode in addition to rainshower, a massage mode on its own, and a pause mode. This showerhead doesn't come with its own mount or hose. However, it's designed to fit onto your existing RV shower. You should be able to unscrew the old head and replace it with this one, no problem. If you're looking for a powerful showerhead to replace your factory-issue RV showerhead, the Camco is a fantastic choice. 3. JONKEAN High Pressure Showerhead. The Jonkian High Pressure Showerhead is our last choice for the best RV showerheads present here. As the name suggests, this is a high-pressure RV showerhead offering 3 different water pressure options along with a separate on-off switch. JONKEAN is ensuring up to a 200% increase in water pressure once you have installed this unit in your RV. Other modes include jetting, massage, and a gentle rainfall mode. The entire assembly of the JONKEAN high-pressure showerhead is completely detachable, which makes the unit very easy to clean. 4. FOCSPROD RV Showerhead. It is a high-pressure handheld showerhead designed specifically for RVs, campers, travel trailers, motorhomes, and boats. With its 5 spray modes, including rain, massage, rain plus massage, pause mode, and powerful wash, you can enjoy a customizable shower experience wherever you go. The Power Jet mode allows you to remove the showerhead and use it for power washing tasks like cleaning the tub, tile, or even your pets. The built-in water-saving pause button shuts off the water flow completely, helping you conserve water while showering. 5. GOOLIFEE Showerhead. GOOLIFEE Showerhead with hose and on-off switch is a 5-mode high-pressure water-saving handheld showerhead wand kit replacement for outdoor camper, travel trailer, motorhome, and built-in power sprayer. It features anti-clog rub clean jets, a power jet mode, a water-saving pause button, an adjustable holder, and is made of high-quality ABS material. Installation is easy and tool-free, no plumber needed. 6. KAIYING Handheld Showerhead. This showerhead comes in 5 different finishes: black, white and blue, brushed nickel, white, and chrome. You can choose between the 5 to match your showerhead to the rest of the fixtures in your RV's bathroom. You can switch between 3 modes on this showerhead as well: massage, jetting, and rainfall. If you're concerned about conserving water, good news. This RV showerhead comes with a pause switch, which makes it easy to turn on and off as needed. So if you're working with limited water, you can avoid waste as much as possible.